Hey everybody, I just want to do a quick little video here on RVs and flagpoles. And we have noticed a lot of people fly American flags and others, mostly American flags, on RVs. And I also wanted to do the same thing, so I just want to show you what I did. And I got this idea from a camp host at an RV park in North Carolina. And what he did was he took his flag mount and he drilled it here, here, and here with some self-tapping screws and mounted a flagpole there, and it looked really good and I was admiring it. And I did notice though that on all these fifth wheel hitches it says, "Do not cut, drill, or alter this product in any manner without consent from Lippert Products components." So that led me to think that, okay, I'm definitely not gonna drill this. So what I did was, as you can see it here, I used two-stage epoxy, and two-stage epoxy is really a great adhesive. Now what I did to get the stick better is, on the back side of this, I scored it really good with a screwdriver to put grooves in this, and also I scored it underneath this, and I just basically outlined it, and then I took a screwdriver and I just kind of scored it down and made it so that the epoxy would have a little bit extra grab to hold it in place. And this blows around in the wind. Like, we've had some fierce wind, and I've never had any problem with it falling off, breaking off, or anything like that. It's always just hung in there, and I get a lot of compliments on it. And I think that the way it goes up at the same angle as the front of the RV gives it that kind of classic look. So I really like that. Now, just so you know, there is a code, a flag code, that says if you fly your flag in the evening, it has to be lit. So there is a light topper that you can get for these, and I had one and I tried it, and it was just a little too big for this style of pole. So I'm now forced to take it down at night and put it back up in the morning, which isn't a big deal. But in a future video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a solar light and just kind of mount it here, pointing up at it with the solar panel probably mounted down here, so I can illuminate it at night. Because I don't know, I think the American flag is beautiful, and I love what it stands for. And if you're patriotic and you like this look, I've only seen it on a few trailers, but you get a lot of compliments on it, and it's something that just looks good on an RV, and it's a representation of being a patriotic person and your love for America. So anyway, highly recommend doing this. It does not interfere with the hitch at all when you're towing. It's on top. It never, it can't go and hit anything. It's completely out of the way. And you know, when we travel, we just loosen up the little wing nut here and stow it away, and we get to our next campground, we put it back up. So there it is. If you're interested in anything else about how I did that, you can leave a comment below and I'd be happy to tell you more. And again, I think it looks great. So hope everybody's having a good day, and talk soon.